Welcome to my Digital Pathway Solutions ELRC 4507 final project. This is me going over my webpage that we've been working on all class. We're going to start up here with the home page that we're on right now. Just a little intro of this is my page, my goals, and it'll kind of guide you in what to do. Next, about me. There I am. And just how I'm working on this degree for my future after I'm no longer able to be a firefighter. Helpful videos. I thought these were the best ones to focus on this class. My future goal is to become an instructional designer, and so I figured people that are making the leap over to digital classrooms would find these YouTube videos helpful. So the first one, obviously getting started with Google Classroom, how to use Screencastify, and how to use Zoom, and also what is a flipped classroom, that those would all be helpful for instructors. Resources that I chose that would be helpful for this type of web page obviously is going to be Google for Education, and these all have hyperlinks attached to them. Zoom, Socrative have several different links. So anyone interested in instructional design, that they would be able to find a lot of good information off of these pages, that they too can add them to their resource list. Technology projects, we've done several. First was the digital story that got submitted yesterday. I did mine on smoke detectors. I thought it was a good video to make that could educate people of all ages. Had fun doing it. Our mobile app, I chose Adobe Spark Video. And one of the first things we did was our personal learning environment and our personal learning network, where I created my diagram. And of course, the Google Doc going through all our different reflections. We created our Twitter account, created our blog, and learned about curation tools. That was a lot of fun. Website evaluation, that was on our PDF form. I chose the EdgeWeb for my page. Next is the thematic slideshow. I did that for distance education for beginners. Had a lot of fun making that as well. Evaluations, I did get my Apple Teacher certification with my little badges down there at the bottom. And this video that I'm making right now will be coming soon to this webpage. One of our assignments was to create a tech blog. So these are the different blog topics that I put on here with our different assignments. We talked about copyright laws. What is a wiki? And of course, our very first post. So that's pretty much all it is on this website. A couple things I wanted to talk on is all the assignments helped me on basically preparing for my future in instructional design. They were all new to me. All of them were a challenge. I hadn't done anything before that we were assigned during this class. Every week I had something new to learn, which I enjoyed thoroughly. I really enjoyed creating the personal Twitter accounts, creating this particular web page as well, all professional accounts that I can build upon and use for the future. As far as the class, I really appreciated the tips given to us by Dr. Hiraman, the videos that she made, giving all the instructions each week. the different links that she would give us, all the different examples of past students on their web pages to give us an idea so we can make ours and kind of personalize everything that we've done for this entire class. I like how everything was different. There you go. There's my web page. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck to everyone.